Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get a good number of Dogecoin from this site I'm going to be showing you in this video. So watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any update I'm going to be dropping. So I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel. Now click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to get free Dogecoin or task done. Once you do this, I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. The last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So all you have to do is to click on sign up and create an account. You'll be given $5 bonus when you create an account on this platform. And once you create an account, you just sign into your account, then you'll be given 500 VHS mining power to power up your mining machine for you to be able to mine cryptocurrency from this site for free. So this is how the dashboard of this platform looks like. So if you want to start mining Dogecoin, you scroll down below where you will see Dogecoin, then you increase the level to 100%. Once you do that, the Dogecoin will start mining automatically for you without investing anything on this platform because you've been given 500 VHS mining power for free. So this Dogecoin now will start mining automatically, then you can withdraw to your wallet once it meets the minimum withdrawal. Now to get more bonus on this site, you click on this 3/ above here, then you click on bonus. So on this bonus, you'll be given from 1 to 5 VHS every 6 hours. You can come and claim it. So you click on get bonus. As you can see right now, I've been given 1 VHS. You can be lucky to get 5 VHS, 4 VHS, or even 3 VHS. But you can also deposit on this site for you to be able to earn more on this site. You click on this 3/ above here. Then you click on deposit, then you scroll down. You can either deposit using Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Dogecoin, USDT, Shiba, Elo, Link, any of the cryptocurrency you have, you can invest with it. Once you click on the cryptocurrency you want to use, you now scroll down below, then you enter the amount here. For example, let's say you want to deposit 10 USDT. It is going to give you 1000 VHS and you'll be getting 2% per day, and you'll be getting 20 USDT in the next 100 days. And let's say you want to deposit 100 USDT. You're going to be getting 10,000 VHS and you'll be getting 3% per day, and you'll be getting 300 USDT in the next 100 days. Let's say you want to deposit 500 USDT. It's going to be giving you 50,000 USDT, which is going to be mining for the next 100 days, and you'll be getting 3.5% per day, and you'll be making a total of 1,750 USDT. So whichever one you choose, you can just come right here and enter it, then you click on deposit. It will take you to a page where you'll be given the wallet address to make the deposit into. All you have to do is to copy the wallet address, then head on to your wallet and transfer the cryptocurrency into it. Once you do that, it will take 10 to 20 minutes for it to be verified, and it will appear in your dashboard here. Some can take up to 30 minutes for it to be verified. So when you've made the deposit successfully, you can scroll down to Dogecoin and take it to 100%. So if you want to mine any other coin, you can mine multiple coins at a time. You can reduce Dogecoin to, let's say, 33, then you increase Litecoin a bit, then you increase Bitcoin a bit, so you can be able to mine 3 cryptocurrency at a time. Or if you choose to mine just one, you can take it to 100% and allow it to mine with the 100% capacity, which is the Dogecoin right here. Alright, now let me log out and show you the minimum withdrawal amount of this website. Alright, the minimum withdrawal amount for BTC is 0.008 BTC, then 1.2 Dogecoin, 850,000 Shiba, 0.26 Ethereum, 20 ADA, 40 XRP, 0.07 Bitcoin Cash, 0.15 Litecoin, 1.35 Links, 0.008 Ethereum, 10 USDT, 150 Dogecoin, 0.60 Zcash, then 150 TRX. So once you're able to get any of the minimum withdrawal amounts, you can just click on withdraw, then you enter your wallet address and it's going to be sent into your wallet. As I always say in my videos, invest what you can afford to lose because I am not a financial advisor. It will take approximately 10 minutes for it to be sent into your wallet. So this is how you can be able to get free Dogecoin from this site and also by investing in order to get more. So click on the like button and turn on the bell icon for this channel in order not to miss the next video I'm going to be dropping. Whenever I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you in order to get you informed. Now see you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.